Hello everyone, I'm TrungX. My English isn't great, so in this video, I'll use AI to talk about the process of creating this diorama. I hope you all can understand and accept that. Thank you very much. I have a few plastic sharks, but they are too small and not impressive enough.
Nope. 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 Oh no!
So, I have to sculpt a shark from polymer clay, even though I'm feeling very lazy. I'm quite poor, too. And I'm running out of clay. Please help me by promoting my channel to many people, so I can earn money to buy more clay for my creations. It's possible that you have seen my previous videos where I've created quite a few shark sculptures. There's been everything from zombie sharks, demon sharks, to venom sharks. However, sharks always bring me a sense of excitement. And I don't mind creating them multiple times, each with unique shapes and sizes. Oh, it seems like the shark is a bit short. I need to make its body longer. As for coloring, using an airbrush could potentially create a more visually appealing finish, but this time around, I prefer the tactile experience of using brushes and acrylic paints. With this roll of aluminium foil and this small steel wire roll, I continue crafting the framework for the octopus, or as you might call it, the Kraken. Initially, there were only 6 tentacles, but I recalled that an octopus should have 8 tentacles, so I had to add 2 more. And as for the length of the 8 tentacles, it seems I was too economical, so I need to extend it longer. Oh well, the head of the octopus is also turning out a bit small. Please watch my video frequently so that I don't have to be so frugal like this. I will have to place this octopus right next to the shark, so its tentacles can tightly ensnare its prey. Once everything looks harmonious, I'll proceed to finalize the form of this octopus. I want a fierce octopus like a kraken, so I'll make some adjustments to its face. This part is truly quite tedious. If you don't believe it, you can give it a try yourself. The initial sketch at the beginning of the video featured a red octopus. However, I want to experiment with different colors, like a bronze green, for example. Oh, this color seems to make it less prominent. I'll add a bit of shimmering yellow to see how it looks. What do you all think? The octopus still doesn't stand out compared to the shark. My point is, the colors of these two creatures are too similar. Maybe I should repaint the octopus red again. Please leave your opinions in the comments for me to consider. Thank you so much. Just about forgot, I need to sculpt an unwilling audience member for the showdown between these two monsters, the unlucky diver guy. Am I too merciless? Buddy, swim up fast. Now comes the part with epoxy resin, and I might need around 9 pounds of epoxy resin. Oh my, that's quite expensive. Despite being saddened by this, I still remember that I need to apply a thin layer of resin over these two creatures. Otherwise, the colors will bleed a lot during the epoxy resin drying process. Of course, I'll leave a few gaps in the red area to let it bleed a bit, resembling blood dispersing in water as they fight. Phew, my part of the work is done. I'll have my younger brother finish this diorama. He's better with woodworking tools than I am. Can you all see the effort we put into creating these resin clay artworks? We love our job and eagerly anticipate your support. We'll strive to make even more impressive pieces in the future. He also made a wooden base for me and painted it black. And now, it's showtime.